tryna go on a date, I had to let her go. She tryna go on a date, I had to tell her no. They callin' my phone, ask me if I'm straight, I say I'm hetero. Better use your dome, police got your plates, you going federal. You thought you ate, you told me you still got 8, like who you telling on? My name her weight, I'm a man in a whole nother state, I'm tryna stay unknown. Girl outside my house, gotta keep my door, cause ain't nobody home. They say I don't come outside, but I'm at the store, like what these niggas on? I just met a bitch from London, now she tryna stamp me. How you supposed to be my brother, left me in that stampede.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRTAJ back with another video, back with another banger, man. If you can see by the title, I'm about to show y'all how to slide a charger. Any charger, if that matter, as long as you got enough horsepower, you should be able to slide. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, man. Let's get to the video. All right, y'all, we're in the whip now. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. First thing you need to do if you slide a charger, you want your tires to be, your rear tires to be at least 35 PSI, 40 PSI. You want them to be hard. So, number one thing you need to do is you throw your car in track. So, if you got SRT pages or anything, or sport mode or anything like that, throw it in sport or track. Then, you need to look at your gauges. So, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna throw it in drive, and this should work for any car. You got first gear, you got second gear. We gonna slide in second gear, but when you're doing tight donuts, you wanna go in first gear, and you wanna do a brake stump. Corey, you can get your feet. So don't have your left foot on the brake, not too much, to the point where the back tires don't spin, and you're gonna smash the gas. That's only when you're doing small donuts. When you get to about 180 and you counter steer, that's when you just keep going in and out, in and out. So we're gonna go with some water donuts, and we're gonna go in second gear. So I'm gonna show y'all what this looking like. All chargers come like this. Turn your traction off. A lot of people be forgetting to turn their traction off. So in the chargers, it's gonna take about 10 seconds to turn off. As you can see, turn off. As you can see, your traction's off. Your traction's off. We in second. I'll show y'all how to slide. Now I'm gonna brake stump on this one just because, but when you slide, make sure it's on a good surface too as well. Brake stump, you're gonna punch the gas. You're gonna counter steer. Shit. Alright, y'all, so when you get about 180, you're gonna counter steer, you're gonna go in. You're just gonna keep doing it and keep doing it. So, let's go. Alright, y'all, when you get to sliding, every time it goes to about 180, when you get the counter steering, when all the weight transfers. So you're gonna counter in. You're just gonna keep working it out. Thing about these steering wheels, they're gonna rotate back and actually help you out. So I'm gonna show you how that looks. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show you how to do small donuts. This is what most people do. We in first gear. So now, as you can see, if you was paying attention, I kept steering the wheel in and out, in and out. That's how you're gonna get those crisp circles. So just keep steering in and out, and that's how you should do those small donuts. As you saw, when you're drifting, when you're gonna cut corners and things like that, you're gonna punch the gas, and you're gonna counter steer, and then when the direction you wanna go, you point your wheels, and that's when you counter steer this way. So if you wanna go this way, you're gonna point your wheels that way. All right, y'all, so really, you can see we in drive. I'm gonna put it in first gear. I'm gonna go in second. Let me get y'all the outside view as well. And this is how it's gonna look.
speed dial, and I like to pet other kittens. I think I'ma leave now. She with the kids in the kitchen. This shit was a freestyle. Some of my shit never written. When I get high in my mind, I'm just free in space. You buying from me, ain't no being laced. You acting real salty like Frito-Lay. I come from 6 sides like I'm TNA. Taking care of my dick, she is CNA. I make the first take like I'm Stephen A. I think this rap shit in my DNA. I let you girl, now she won't see the day. When I get high in my mind, I'm just free in space. You buying from me, ain't no being laced. You acting real salty like Frito-Lay. I come from 6 sides like I'm TNA. Taking care of my dick, she is CNA.